Again, ladies and gentlemen, watch the cucumber cut in half and watch as his head will roll into the hat. At the count of 3, let's go real loud. 1, excellent, Ahad, Zaid, Shalom. Now,
Se toca arriba.
اوكي، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اليوم عندنا ساحر هنا موجود، راح يسوي لنا سحر وما ندري ايش بيسوي. ان شاء الله يكون السحر يعني خطير يعني. فنبغى نشوف وش بيسوي. في 2 كويتيين الحين راح يسوون السحر. ما ادري هل يمشي معاهم؟ في واحد كويتي الظاهر هو اللي راح يسوي، فراح نشوف ان شاء الله. يلا نمشي معنا.
Push him out here. Come on, come on. What's your name? What is it? Faisal. Good. Get Faisal around the board.
Catch him.
No. I'm gonna do something.
Cut his head off. I'll see you in here after.
No. I want you to check out this cucumber. Make sure it's real. Hold it like you own it, right? Okay. So you see, no trap doors, nothing, right? Okay. Just like that, right?
Circumcision.
That was when he was 13, right? No. All right, here we go. Now watch the cucumber. Right? All right. Like that. Yeah, you do.
What the heck?
Put your head in there now.
Exactly. Put your head there. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, you'll be safe. It's all right. No, put your knees here. Put your head here.
رابك طلعش.
Go ahead.
ترى غشيم يا ولد. ترى غشيم يا ولد.
It's not safe.
الجاهية. Do it.
Oh my god.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, all the time I do this, I still don't understand. They see me cut the cucumber in half, and they still will put their head in the guillotine. That means they like to see the cucumber cut in half again. Who wants to see us cut the cucumber in half again? I can't hear you. Who wants to see the cucumber cut in half again?
Yeah.
All right. Well, wait a minute. His head is there. That means we get 2 for 1.
Oh my god.
Oh, have I done this before?
Yeah.
I don't know. Have I? Hopefully we have. I hope so. We're going to try this.
This is not safe.
Now again. You know what? I want you to make sure when your head comes off. Yeah, you can actually fine. Now. All right. Now. Oh, you break my sword. Look at you. I'll put it back in here now. But now, what I want this to do, when your head comes off, I want you to make sure that you roll it so it goes right in the hat. And I don't want it rolling in the street because I can't chase after it. Now again, everyone who's got a video camera or a still camera, watch the cucumber fall and watch his head roll right in the hat.
Are you recording?
At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Loser.
You know what?
Well,
It went right through your neck, though.
no, hey, because he's from Kuwait, man. You can't.
That is why. They're strong out there. Thing is, I can't even get to go back up. God, what do they need you guys out there? All right.
Maybe he's using magic tool.
Yeah, you see that one.
Boy, he breaks my blade. His head is so tough. Give a nice round of applause. Now we got another demonstration of strength.
بطلنا السحر بطلنا السحر.
I need 2 volunteers, 2 strong guys.
Okay, guys, yeah.
2 strong guys.
والله طلع الساحر فاشل، ما عنده جدته والله. يبغى يسوي السحر ما مشيت معاه، قطع الخياره وما قطع راس الرجال. دقرت
شرها عليك يا
والله شرح علينا قاعدين نطالع والله. ضيع كم دقيقتين؟
لا هي اكثر
والله ضيع دقيقتين من وقتنا والله. ان شاء الله نشوف سحر ثاني ان شاء الله.